Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you what happens if I do reset all setting on my iPhone. What happens when reset all setting? This will erase something. It will erase 1. Network settings, 2. Keyboard dictionary, 3. Home screen layout, 4. Location settings, privacy, 5. Apple Pay card are erased or reset to their defaults. Reset all setting, reset network setting, reset keyboard and dictionary, reset home screen layout, reset location and privacy. No media or data will be deleted. No any app, game, videos or photo will be deleted. No any apps, games, videos or photo will be deleted. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.